Welcome to the Marine Institute. This short video will guide you through the process of accessing academic accommodations. If you would like to view the official Memorial University policy on academic accommodations, please visit our website. If you are not familiar with accommodation use or would like information on learning disabilities, please contact Student Affairs at the address provided on our contact page. Your first step is to contact Student Affairs to arrange a time to discuss your accommodation needs. It's best to do this before the school year begins so that your accommodations can be in place when your classes start. We can do this in person, but if you are going to be away from campus or you are a distant student, other arrangements can be made. For example, email, phone, or Skype. The Student Affairs Officer will review your assessment with you and make note of any recommendations for your accommodations plan. This is a great time for you to discuss your history and needs and any concerns you might have about your program. It would be best to email or fax your assessment prior to this meeting. However, if that's not possible, please bring it along. The consent form allows Student Affairs staff to discuss information about you with your instructors, guidance counselor, psychologist, or anyone that you feel is appropriate. You can make changes to this at any time, and of course, everything discussed with the Student Affairs Officer is confidential unless you indicate otherwise. The information release form shows your instructor which accommodations you will be availing of, so it is very important that you give a copy of this form to your instructor. It's good to have these done early in case you request particular software or hardware, or in-class equipment or facilities that need to be installed before classes begin. We will walk you through the process of using your accommodations and give you contact information in case you have questions. We are always here to answer your questions. You will fill out an IRF for each course. You will keep a copy of each and give a copy to the instructor for each course. Make sure your instructor gets these after meeting with Student Affairs. Take a minute at the end of the class, introduce yourself, and hand them this form. They will know what it is and be happy to provide your accommodations. Our instructors are eager to assist you in your success, and the more you connect with them, the more helpful they will be. It is important that you let the Student Affairs Officer know when your test is scheduled, at least 24 to 48 hours in advance. Instructors will have a schedule of these tests, which you can provide to the officer. It's challenging to meet last-minute requests, so please remember to let them know in advance. The instructor will provide your test to the Student Affairs Officer, who will coordinate the scheduling of the test with you. Once completed, the test will be delivered to your instructor. Setting up your accommodations sooner rather than later is the best way to get on the road to success. If you have any further questions or concerns, please contact Charlotte Dove, Student Affairs Officer, Marine Institute of Memorial University.